Hey everybody, Dustin, Supercar Sunday. So, as you know, I've had this car for probably 22 years at this point. I've had a lot of good luck and a lot of bad luck with it. Runs, drives very fast. LQ9 out of an Escalade or a truck, whichever. Magnuson Supercharger T56, Hotchkiss suspension, weld brakes. Very fast car. It should have been painted. Bad luck at a body shop. Many of you heard the story. So my question is, what should I do with this car? Simultaneously, I've got my 69 Camaro that I'm going to start doing an LS swap. I bought all Carl Casanova stuff. But what should I do with this thing? It's pretty straight. At one point in time, it was totally straight. All the sheet metal was new. I never did the floors. The floors are absolutely horrible. The floors look like it's 15 different cars put together as one. And I've told you, it costs so much to paint a car these days that with kids and all that and these other projects I have running, I can't justify painting the car. You know, I don't know if you can see the floors, and you're gonna say mini tub it. Yeah, I know I should. But I'm thinking I just Line-X or Rhino line the interior and just keep it primered, right? Put all the weather stripping back in. Right now there's absolutely no weather stripping. So not only is the exhaust louder than hell, but it rattles. The entire car rattles like you have a bunch of rocks in a tin can. It just, even with the ear protection, it's really frustrating. And then you have the trunk. Let's not talk about the trunk. So it needs some body work here. What should I do? And what's funny is that people look at this car, I get a lot of thumbs up, especially when it's moving, especially at night, right? It's kind of a 10, 20, 30 foot car. And if you know what that means, it means from 10, 20, 30 feet, it looks pretty decent. It definitely looks menacing, right? And that is actually the hood off of the 69. And the cowl off this one is on the 69. So what should I do to this thing? Should I just Rhino line the interior, put some sound deadening, throw carpet on top, windows back in, weather stripping, or just Line-X it and call it a day? Although it's so loud, it's just ear piercing. It's almost painful to drive, truth be told, even with hearing protection. And that's just, it just resonates, it just bounces. The sound bounces like a tin can. So I'm curious as to your thoughts. What should I do with this thing? Let me know. I'll pop the hood real quick. So there you go. Great engine, great transmission, a lot of really good parts. What do I do with this car? Please let me know in the comments. Please give me some direction. I want to do it at the house if I can, maybe some help with some friends. Let me know. Thank you.